In today's video, I will walk you through how to change chart timeframes on WhiteBIT. Changing the chart timeframe on WhiteBIT allows you to view price movements over different periods, making it easier to analyze short-term trends or longer-term market activity. Whether you're day trading or looking at the bigger picture, switching between timeframes only takes a few clicks. To start, on the main navigation menu, click Trade, then go to Spot. Once you are on the WhiteBIT trading page, locate the price chart for the trading pair you're viewing. Above the chart, you'll find the available timeframe options. These may include intervals such as 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, 1 week, and other available settings. To change the timeframe, simply click on the interval you want to use. As soon as you make your selection, the chart will automatically refresh and display price data for the chosen timeframe. If you don't see the exact timeframe you're looking for, look for a More or drop-down menu near the timeframe buttons. Click it to view additional intervals that may not be displayed on the main toolbar. Feel free to switch between different timeframes as often as needed. The chart updates instantly, allowing you to compare market behavior across multiple time intervals without leaving the trading page. For example, selecting a shorter time frame like 1 minute or 5 minutes lets you see more detailed price movements over a brief period. On the other hand, choosing a longer time frame such as 1 day or 1 week provides a broader view of the market and helps you identify longer-term trends. And that's all there is to it. Changing chart timeframes on WhiteBIT.